Introduction. The ketogenic diet or keto is a low carbohydrate, high fat eating plan designed to induce ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for energy. The significantly reducing carb intake and increasing healthy fats, the diet aims to promote weight loss and enhance overall well-being. However, it's crucial to approach the keto diet carefully, consulting healthcare professionals to ensure nutritional balance and address potential risks. There are four phases of keto diet. Phase 1. This is the strictest phase with the lowest carbohydrate intake, usually around 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. For example, 1 to 2 breads. Induction phase, also known as adaptation. This initial stage involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, usually below 20 to 50 grams per day, to promote the body into ketosis. This adaptation phase typically lasts 2 to 7 days, during which glycogen stores are depleted and ketone production begins. Now comes the phase 2. Carbohydrate intake slightly increases, typically up to 50 grams of net carbs per day, for example, one big potato. This is also known as weight loss phase. Once in ketosis, the focus shifts to sustained weight loss. This phase involves maintaining the low carb, high fat diet while monitoring macronutrient intake to support fat burning and minimize muscle loss. Now, phase 3 carb intake further increases, often up to 50 to 100 grams of net carbs per day. For example, one small plate rice. This is also known as pre-maintenance phase. As weight loss goals are approached, some individuals transition to a pre-maintenance phase. Carbohydrate intake may be slightly increased, but it's crucial to avoid leaving ketosis to prevent regaining lost weight. Now the final phase, phase 4. Carbohydrate intake can vary widely depending on individual metabolic needs and goals, but typically ranges from 50 to 100 grams of net carbs per day or higher. For example, one plate rice, while still maintaining ketosis for some individuals. This is also known as maintenance phase. Once weight loss goals are achieved, individuals can enter the maintenance phase. Here, they may experiment with a slightly high carb intake while carefully monitoring how it affects their ketone levels and weight. Maintenance involves finding a sustainable balance to support long-term health and well-being. Foods you can eat. On the ketogenic diet, focus on foods that are low in carbohydrate and high in healthy fats. Here's a list of foods commonly included. For example, meat. It includes beef, poultry, pork, lamb, and other unprocessed meats. Then comes fatty fish. It includes salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Then comes eggs, a versatile and nutritious source of protein and healthy fats. Then comes dairy, high-fat dairy products like butter, cream, and cheese, but be mindful of lactose content. Then comes nut and seeds. For example, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and fiber. Then comes low-carb vegetables, which includes leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. Avocado is also a rich source of healthy fats and fiber. Then comes oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil are ideal for cooking. Then comes the berries. In moderation, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are lower in carbs. And in the end, sweeteners. Stevia, ethyl, and monk fruit are low carb sweeteners. Remember to monitor portion sizes and macronutrient ratios to stay within the keto guidelines and achieve desired results. Additionally, staying hydrated and taking a well-rounded approach to nutrition is essential for overall health on the ketogenic diet. When it comes to benefits, in the end, the ketogenic diet is associated with the several potential benefits, although individual experience may vary. Some notable advantages include weight loss. By inducing ketosis, the body burns stored fat for energy, leading to effective weight loss. Then comes the blood sugar control. Keto may help improve insulin sensitivity, potential benefiting individuals with diabetes or those who are at risk. Then comes increased energy levels. Some people report sustained energy throughout the day when following a ketogenic diet. Now, mental clarity. The diet may contribute to improved focus and mental clarity, often referred to as mental sharpness. Then comes appetite suppression. The high fat content and increased satiety from protein can help control appetite. And in the last, improved triglyceride levels. Keto may lead to favorable changes in blood lipid profiles, reducing triglycerides. It has been also seen that it enhanced HDL cholesterol. Some studies suggest that the diet can increase levels of good HDL cholesterol. Also, potential therapeutic applications. The ketogenic diet has shown promise in managing epilepsy, neurodegenerative disease, and certain metabolic disorders. Also, it's crucial to approach the keto diet with caution, considering individual health conditions and consulting with healthcare professionals to ensure nutritional adequacy and address potential risks. So here we have the sample menu. You can see, for example, 6:30 a.m. in the morning you can start your day with lemon water and soaked walnut. At 8 a.m. you can have scrambled eggs with cheese. At around 12:30 p.m. it may be lunch. You can have roasted chicken breast, lettuce, cucumber and mushroom salad with olive oil and vinegar dressing. At 4 p.m. maybe at your snack time you can have soda with lemon and in the end at 8 p.m. in dinner you can have broccoli, mushroom, stir fry with cheese. Thank you so much.